Hey folks, Rob here, and if you watched my last video, you seen that I'd been contacted by CVLIFE, and they wanted to send me out a couple of their newer products to review. I don't know if they're new per se, but they wanted me to take a look at them and do a review and kind of unboxing and a look at them, see if that's something maybe some of you guys be interested in. I mean, for the money, I really like the little carbon fiber one. It seems to be a pretty nice unit. Now, this one is the 3-in-1, and there is the information on it. So if you're interested, there is the SKU number, and of course all this stuff is made in China, like most things these days. Which, you know, if we didn't buy Chinese, we wouldn't buy nothing much. So, but these are kind of a budget offering, and this one does come with this. This is set up to be used on several different applications. Here it has a barrel band, which if you don't have any type of way to mount it, you can mount this rail section to your barrel and actually mount the bipod to the barrel. So that's that section. This is also a pick rail adapter, which works in conjunction with this other unit. And that's rubber padded. That's really nice made. This section, this is made to actually work on a standard rifle, so you could use this on any bolt action rifle. And I thought it was kind of unique the way this thing works. It comes with a little screwdriver, and the way this works is you actually, this little screw right here actually would go through the sling swivel stud of your rifle. So whatever your existing rifle is, you would remove this little screw, and this would screw through the sling swivel stud, basically mounting this part to your rifle. And then once you get that on there, you could screw this up, and that will put a little force on it, and will give it a backing for this. Which is the way this works, is this actually comes through this unit, and basically this takes your sling swivel. Actually, I'm doing it wrong. This would come off. Sorry. This would come through here. So, well, I dropped it. Hold on. Alright, I picked it up. So, this would mount to your sling swivel stud. This would come through. Of course, now this part is mounted to your rifle. This is padded. So then you would screw this up against this, and this is what holds the base on. So that would screw up there, and this would tighten everything down against the rifle. And then, of course, you have your section of rail here that you would mount the bipod to. Pretty ingenious little outfit. I mean, it's made to where it'll fit a wide applications of guns, whether you have a pick rail or not. This is pretty ingenious the way this works. I mean, you can put this on any sporter rifle, just by putting this piece through this sling swivel stud. I should have brought a rifle out and demonstrated it, but pretty neat little outfit there. I thought that was pretty ingenious. So, and of course, if you have a pick rail already on the lower section of your rifle, you don't need any of these adapters or parts. This would basically screw onto the pick rail of your rifle and just mount that way. And to open this, it's basically you pull down on these thumb studs and rotate it out. It locks in place. It's good and sturdy. Now these little legs here, there's not a lot of adjustment in this little unit. They are spring loaded, so they want to push out all the time. So To adjust them, you would push them in, and this little knurled knob rotates, so that's what locks it in place. So if you need some adjustment, you simply unlock that, level your rifle by pushing down, and then locking it into the position where you want it. So gives you about 1 inch of leveling there. So this is better suited, I'd say, for benchtop shooting, or you know, it's not real high, so this would be good to shoot off a bench with. But you know, nice aluminum construction. You know, just looks like a pretty quality little unit. You know, it's nothing. It's not a Harris, but overall, the fit and finish on this thing is outstanding for a. I think this retails for $39, and it's got nice padded feet. I mean, this would be a great little rifle, or a unit to add to the front of a rifle. And but yeah, this is a pretty nice little unit. So anyway, guys, this is just a quick look at the CVLIFE 3-in-1 bipod, and these sell on Amazon for I think $39. So we are going to actually I'm going to give this one to my buddy John, who just completed an AR-15, and he needs a bipod to go on it. So we're gonna mount this on John's rifle, and we may get a video or two of it in action when we get to go to the range, and you know, he'll let him test it a little bit. And you know, I'm going to focus here on the carbon fiber one that they sent me. This is the carbon fiber mounted on the 350 Legend. So I'm going to be using this one, and John's going to be field testing this one for me on his 223 AR platform rifle. So anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check out the Hamilton Outdoors Facebook group page. So I bid all of you to check out the Hamilton Outdoors Facebook group page there on Facebook. It's I put it up there to allow my subscribers and viewers to have a way to interact with each other, and a more accessible way to chat with each other and form friendships and post their pictures, ask questions, you know, create polls, whatever you know. It's an open forum that I created so we can build a bigger community. Appreciate it, and until the next video, we'll see you later.